Jamaica Food Sweet TV. Guys, guess what me there? Me da yard, me da Jamaica. Yeah. Just rolling in this morning. So guess what going on, guys? Me kind of all horsey since me come, so me never really get jump in on a new video yet, but guys, me I tell you the truth. Me don't tell myself say when me come here, me want to do one pudding. So everything they kind of prepare in our way. The coconut did grater and juice, vanilla, sugar, with nutmeg, we look at spice, and we look at tip of salt, bring up a little flavor. And we have potato properly washed and grated with a little carrot. Come in, cameraman. Big up the cameraman behind the camera, my grandson Tajay. Come in, Tajay, and show the lovely subscribers what we are going with. Yeah. So we have a carrot. We have a little piece of yellow yam. Everything grate and blend up. We have a little flour. You have to blend in your flour in this. So when you do your mixture, you don't have no problem. So oven light, and I go and do them thing. In this meantime, see Rasta there, watch out. Rasta steam full fish. Yeah, man. So big up Rasta. I wait for pour the milk in at the door. So you don't know. Go and watch where we become potato pudding and watch where we are going with our here. Guys, thank you for subscribing and thank you for your likes. So go and watch. We have some excitement, guys, coming up. So that's the first thing. I'm going to want my pudding. So Rasta, go and pour. Go and pour, Rasta. Yeah. Guys, I want my cameraman to do a good job, because the main cameraman, aka Issy. In there too, guys. Yes, man, Issy there. But guess what now? Issy gonna greet him friends them and big up him friends them, But me want my pudding, so me say I low water. Me I get my pudding tonight. So guys, go and lock in and watch we are store up this. And I do it thing out here. Again, as me tell you, say guys, I one thing though me can tell you. Place hot like fire. But me I easy myself because I know nothing compared to up there. With the eat where we have a peel off skin. Come like you could have peel off with skin. But you don't know. The pudding have to go on.
Which is right.
And although me hot, still I do my thing, guys. So guys, we are going to add this one into the oven. Right? Open it now, Rasta. I don't think I want to put it on this. So I put this under here, so. Careful, you carry it, but I should use another hand pad there. And put it in. This now go black the alright.
Fire hot, guys.
Fire hot or remove hot? I'll put it in right here, so. Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So make him go on doing thing. I want next little one, Little bit, I don't leave. Watch it. Take in Rasta. Steam fish. Yo. Take in the steam fish. Yo. Rasta steam up. So we left a little bit at this fluid here, because after I do an hour in the oven, then me I go take it out, add this over it, because we want to have that slush there and a little, and something there, and then We put it back in again for another 40 minutes. And by then it would be ready. Because guys, normally me da do it outside. But at night now, me not go do that now. So, I have to put it in the oven. So, that a mats. As me say, I always for me I do my thing. Because you don't know. We say Jamaica food sweet. And me say, big up to all subscribers. And me say, big up to all YouTube vloggers from Portland, St. Mary. Big up on yourself. And you know what me glad to come see this.
Banana.
The real banana when me can peel with me hand. Guys, me I tell you, the real banana when me can peel with me hand. Oh my God.
Sweet, sweet stuff.
I tell you, man. Jamaica.
Number
A
one.
land of beauty.
Number one, man.
Jamaica. An island where produce proper, nice, good, healthy food. Oh my God. Guys, me not overdo it, but me have to big up my country. Because the food good. That's why you see in Bold Fast. And all them other run of the Shelly and Fraser. And all of them are the food. The good old dumpling, caramel dumpling, and the good old cocoa, the good old yellow yam, the good old afo yam, the good old pum pum yam, and the good old dasheen, plantain, green banana, pumpkin, carrot, pap chow, callaloo, you name it, cabbage. Okra, all that good for the giants. So, we eat, oh God, we eat okra. Yeah. We boil it and we put in our soup and we just boil them and we just eat them. Some people eat them all raw. And you know, the okra good for the giants.
Right.
So they run them fast. Yeah, and the back. Again, guys. Guys, watch what I go on, you know. So, Rasta done the steam fish them there. Yes, guys. Go look. Delicious. Coconut juice steamed fish. Wow. Looks very delicious. So, we can just take anyone. So, me dive in and so I go on. You got it here. Touchy fish, you know. Fish are up like 7. Right? Lucky. Welcome back, guys. So we are go. So guys, of course, you know, after you add your pudding in your oven, you know, so you put it at 350 degree and you let it bake for an hour. After the hour, you take it out. And then you add on an extra quart of liquid to get your slush, and you put it back for 40 minutes. So that's what we are going to do now. After the 40 minutes, you know say you're ready. When I put on the slush, I put it on now. I put on it because I want the slush. Right, and then we are adding back to the add it back to the oven. And I want to do that bottom, don't really?
Yeah.
And then we leave it for 40 minutes. Then we take him out, allow him to cool. Cut and heat. So go on lock in and watch where we are going with.